Welcome to the Oils and Herbs channel. Today I'm excited to dive deeper into the world of adaptogenic herbs. Adaptogenic herbs have been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine systems such as Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and Native American healing practices. They work by helping the body adapt to and cope with physical, mental, and emotional stress. One of the most well-known adaptogenic herbs is ashwagandha. This herb has been studied extensively for its ability to reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep quality, and boost brain function. Ashwagandha contains compounds called withanolides, which have been shown to reduce cortisol levels in the body. Cortisol is a stress hormone that, when chronically elevated, can lead to a number of health issues, including weight gain, poor sleep, and increased inflammation. One of the easiest ways to incorporate ashwagandha into your daily routine is by drinking it as a tea. You can also find it in capsule or powder form, which can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, or other foods. Another adaptogenic herb that I love is rhodiola. This herb has been used in traditional medicine to improve physical and mental performance, reduce fatigue, and enhance cognitive function. Rhodiola works by increasing the production of ATP, the molecule that provides energy to our cells. It also enhances the function of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which are responsible for regulating mood and cognition. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is another adaptogenic herb that has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. It has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, improve immune function, and lower inflammation in the body. One of the great things about adaptogenic herbs is that they work in a holistic way, supporting the body's natural ability to adapt and cope with stress. They are not a quick fix or a magic pill, but rather a gentle and effective way to support overall health and well-being. If you're interested in incorporating adaptogenic herbs into your daily routine, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, it's important to choose high-quality herbs from a reputable source. Second, it's a good idea to start with small doses and gradually increase as needed. And third, it's always a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. So there you have it. Adaptogenic herbs are a fascinating and powerful way to support your body's natural ability to cope with stress. By incorporating these herbs into your daily routine, you may be able to improve your overall health and well-being.